Julie's Diary. Summer 2024. Greenwich, London. Good morning and welcome to my vlog. Today I have a day off and I decided to go to Greenwich, which is a fascinating place to visit, with its rich history and its unique position on the Prime Meridian. Starting the day with a delightful English breakfast is a wonderful way to indulge in comforting flavors while energizing yourself for the tasks ahead. Today, with a busy schedule in mind, I chose the practical yet satisfying option of an English muffin filled with savory sausages, crispy bacon, and a perfectly fried egg. This combination not only offers a rich blend of textures and tastes, but also provides a hearty meal that can keep you fueled throughout the morning. The English muffin is a quick yet indulgent choice that encapsulates the essence of a traditional English breakfast in a convenient, handheld form. After breakfast, I decided to take the fastest ferry from Tower Bridge to Greenwich Pier. Along the way, we passed the office buildings of Canary Wharf. The ferry journey offers a unique perspective on the city's landmarks, including the elegant office towers of Canary Wharf and its captivating skyline, masterpieces of modern architecture and economic vitality. As we cruise along the Thames, the contrast between the modern skyline and the historic charm of the waterfront creates a vivid picture of London's dynamic development. This scenic journey offers not only a moment of peace, but also a deeper appreciation for the harmonious blending of the city's past and present. As we step off the ferry at Greenwich Pier, the vibrant atmosphere of this bustling terminal greets us warmly. Passengers, probably tourists, eagerly awaiting their turn to embark on their own river journey. It's a beautiful summer day. I pause for a moment, turning my gaze towards the river, where the ferry we just disembarked from drifts away. Its horn sounds a melodious farewell, a gentle reminder of the adventures we've just experienced and the new ones that await us in this historic and picturesque part of London. The old Royal Naval College, located in Greenwich, is renowned for its stunning Baroque architecture, with the twin-domed painted hall, often described as the Sistine Chapel of the UK, for its breathtaking ceiling and wall paintings by Sir James Thornhill. Today, the site is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a public space that invites visitors to explore its rich maritime history, magnificent architecture, and vibrant cultural events. Here you can see Cutty Sark, which is an iconic British clipper ship that was built in 1869 and is celebrated for its swift voyages across the seas during the golden age of sail. Originally designed for the lucrative tea trade between China and England, the Cutty Sark was one of the fastest ships of its time, boasting a sleek design and advanced engineering that allowed it to cut through the waves with remarkable speed. Over the years, the ship transitioned to carrying wool from Australia, further cementing its reputation as a legendary vessel in maritime history. Today, the Cutty Sark is docked in Greenwich, London, serving as a museum ship that offers visitors a glimpse into the thrilling adventures of the high seas and the rich history of 19th century trade and exploration. Now, as I stroll through the charming town of Greenwich, I decided to stop by a small traditional British fish and chip shop tucked away on a cobbled street. The air is filled with the comforting aroma of crispy batter and freshly fried chips. Inside, the menu offers a classic selection including succulent cod and haddock fillets in a golden, crispy batter, British sausages, fish cakes, and chips. Here from the hill you can see the beautiful panorama of Canary Wharf. Today I wanted to show you something different than fish in a batter. Today I ordered a fish cake. Fish cakes are a delightful blend of flaked fish, often cod, haddock, or salmon, and mashed potatoes, seasoned with herbs and spices like parsley and dill, which add a subtle freshness. These ingredients are combined, shaped into patties, and then coated in breadcrumbs before being fried to a golden crisp. The result is a deliciously savory cake that's crunchy on the outside and tender on the inside. Traditionally served with tartar sauce or a squeeze of lemon, fish cakes are a staple of British cuisine, embodying the resourcefulness of using readily available ingredients to create a satisfying meal. As I savor each bite, the flavors transport me to the quintessence of the British coast, where the simple but delightful combination of fish and chips reigns supreme. It is a culinary experience that perfectly captures the warmth and tradition of this beloved British staple. Now I am on my way to the Royal Observatory. I have to go up that hill. Visiting the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London, is a unique experience that connects you with both history and science. Established in 1675 by King Charles II, the observatory is famously known as the home of the Prime Meridian, the line that divides the Eastern and Western Hemispheres of the Earth. This line is the reference point for Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, making it a pivotal location in the world of timekeeping and navigation. Besides the thrill of standing with one foot in each hemisphere, the observatory offers fascinating exhibits on astronomy, including the Great Equatorial Telescope and the Harrison timekeepers that solve the problem of determining longitude at sea. It's a place where you can explore the universe's mysteries and the pivotal role that this historic site played in shaping how we understand time and space. After visiting the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, you're treated to a breathtaking panorama that stretches across the London skyline, offering a unique perspective on this historic city. The observatory itself is nestled within Greenwich Park, providing visitors with an immersive experience in both natural beauty and astronomical wonder. As you wander the grounds, you can explore the nearby National Maritime Museum, which houses an impressive collection of artifacts and exhibits detailing Britain's rich naval history. One cannot miss the Prime Meridian line, a symbolic marker of the world's time zones, which runs through the observatory. Additionally, the nearby monument, the General Wolfe statue, offers a perfect vantage point to take in the serene landscape, making your visit to this iconic location both educational and visually rewarding. At the end of the day, I decided to go for dinner. Today I wanted to show you another traditional British dish, that is steak pie and mashed potatoes. Steak pie and mashed potatoes is a quintessential British dish that embodies the heartiness and comfort of traditional British cuisine. The steak pie features tender chunks of beef slow-cooked in a rich, savory gravy, often enhanced with onions and sometimes mushrooms for added depth of flavor. This delectable filling is encased in a buttery, flaky pastry that provides the perfect contrast to the succulent meat. Paired with creamy mashed potatoes, the dish becomes a satisfying meal that is both nostalgic and fulfilling. The mashed potatoes are typically smooth and buttery, seasoned with just the right amount of salt and pepper, sometimes with a hint of nutmeg or cream to elevate their taste. Together, steak pie and mashed potatoes offer a warm, comforting experience, reminiscent of cozy family dinners and the timeless charm of British pubs. After dinner, I decided to take a leisurely stroll along the riverbank in Greenwich, a place renowned for its picturesque evening views. As I walked, the serenity of the river under the starlit sky offered a sense of tranquility that was both refreshing and captivating. The highlight of the evening, however, was the mesmerizing display of laser lights painting the sky with vibrant colors, creating a breathtaking spectacle that danced over the water's surface. This enchanting fusion of nature and technology provided a magical backdrop, making the walk not just a routine evening activity, but a memorable experience that captured the essence of Greenwich's charm. Cheers! I hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you soon.